Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I experimented with a toned paper and marker. I'll show you my process after the intro. Okay, so hi guys, welcome to my channel. Happy Friday. So this sketchbook comes with toned paper, and I decided why not experiment and see how the markers look on the toned paper. So today I decided to make a nice old Hollywood girl that has like that nice big swoopy hair and a wavy hair, and then I will just continue to add nice colors to her. So for this I'm going to use the paper as her skin tone. That is so easy for me. So I'm just adding the other colors as I go along. So today I made her have like that nice siren, or should I say drowsy looking eyes, and that allows me to do like a nice makeup look on her eyes. So here I am filling in the makeup look and on her eyelids because she has a really downturned eye, like her eyes almost closed. So putting on makeup is one of the best part of drawing these type of eyes for me. So now I'm going to add more shadow to the eyes to really get it nice and defined. So I'm gonna give her a classic red lip because why not? In those days, red lip is everything. Also, I must apologize if you hear any noise in the background. I'm currently outside doing this voiceover. So I'm adding her blush, and this looks so beautiful on the tone paper. It looks already so awesome, and now when I was adding the shadows, I was getting so excited because it started to look so awesome and it started to really look really nice. So adding the shadows at my regular areas, and then I go ahead and add the shadows to her eyelid to give her that more dramatic look. Then I go ahead and add the shadows to the rest of her face, and this part really looks so beautiful. I like the tone paper, I'm not gonna lie. It's so sad that I only have 14, including the one that I'm drawing on in the sketchbook, but I really like the fact that this sketchbook incorporates that color, because it also has black paper, and I think that's it's a really versatile sketchbook because it helps you to experiment with different mediums. I got this sketchbook from my Caliart Drawing Kit, and I'll link it below. Definitely check it out. It has so much mediums in it, and it has so much niceness in it, especially the sketchbook. It's so awesome. The page is definitely thick enough that it doesn't bleed to the other side, especially when I'm using this toned paper. So now I gave her red hair because I was feeling the red and green vibes, and she just looks so amazing. So I just add the base colors. Now I'm going to go ahead with the details. So I begin by adding shadows to the hair by using a darker red color to block out all the darker parts, and that is a must when you want to elevate your work. Definitely add shadows with a darker color, and I'm going ahead and adding shadows, but I'll be quiet now so you can watch the process. I'll come back in when I'm almost finished. I just realized that the color, I didn't have white eyes, so I was just adding the white to her eyes. The line art, the flyaways, everything just makes this look so amazing and so awesome. I really like how it turned out. The eyelid is giving awesomeness, and now I'm going to add the highlights to the hair, and I just really did love the hair before, and then I just super love it even more now. So I just really like this work. I'm definitely gonna put it up on my Instagram, so check that out as well. But yeah, this is how the girl turned out. Thank you so much for watching. I signed my name, and let me just give you a quick close-up of how she looks really nice. Thank you so much for sticking around. I'll see you next time. Remember, stay over easy. Happy Friday.